8715. 800-552-8715. 800-552-8715. Optima Tax Relief. Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
I locked up my Old Spice Fiji aluminum free dry spray to keep that 24/7 lasting freshness safe for myself. Fresh coconuts, palm trees, and wind. It's like catching waves in Fiji. Actually, I just talked myself into a refreshing spliss of Fiji. My Old Spice is missing! No!
Looks like it costs a fortune.
Actually, at Bob's, the playscape 2-piece sectional is just $9.99.
Looks like it was crafted by a master carpenter.
Gorgeous, right? Bob's genuine marble and tiny set comes with 6 chairs, 4 chairs, and a storage bench for just $9.99.
Looks like a unicorn cried happy tears all over it.
That's our bedazzled deep background set. I can see why you think that. When the looks you love come first, there's only one thing to say.
Bob's Discount Furniture.
With Spring Black Friday savings at the Home Depot, you can get up to $1,000 off select